Suno is a free AI music studio that runs right in your web browser. In this guide, you will check what you need, create your account, and make your very first song. Let's get started. Suno turns a simple description into a complete song with vocals, lyrics, and full production. Type an idea, and about a minute later, you get 2 full versions. You can write your own lyrics, pick a style, or even hum a melody and turn it into music.
No instruments and no music skills required. The requirements are simple. You need a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, a stable internet connection, and an account from Google, Microsoft, Apple, Discord, or Facebook. A microphone is optional for humming melodies. Nothing to install, no Python, and no Node.js.
Start at the official site, Suno.com. Only use the official website. At the top right, click Sign In. That opens the sign-in window. Suno uses single sign-on, so there is no email and password. Pick Google, Microsoft, Apple, Discord, or Facebook. Choose Google and confirm your account. That's it. You're in, and Suno sends you to your workspace.
This is your first screen. The sidebar has 5 main tabs: Home, Explore, Create, Studio, and Library. The credit counter shows 50 free credits, refreshed every day. And Make a Song starts a new creation right away.
Time for your first song. On the Create page, the Simple tab is selected. Type a description, like cheerful acoustic pop song about learning something new, warm male vocals, ukulele. Then click Create. About a minute later, you get 2 versions of your song. Credits drop from 50 to 45.
It works. For more control, switch to the Custom tab. Write your own lyrics and use section tags like verse, chorus, and bridge. In the Styles box, describe the genre and mood, or let the magic wand help. Advanced models are locked on the free plan. Click Create and 2 new versions appear. All your songs live in the library. Search by name and filter by likes, workspaces, playlist, or personas. Open the 3-dot menu to remix, extend, or download. The player at the bottom plays any track. To pick song, open the 3-dot menu and choose Download. MP3 works on every plan. Wave is for Pro and Premiere only. New songs are link only by default, so only people with the link can see them. Flip the toggle to public and share them with everyone. Suno has 3 plans. Free gives you 50 credits a day, around 10 songs, but no commercial use. Pro is $10 a month with 2,500 credits and commercial rights. Premier adds Suno Studio and 10,000 credits.
One song costs about 5 credits and returns 2 takes.
3 issues stop most beginners. First, generation fail. Simplify the prompt, refresh the page, and clear the cache. Second, your library is empty. Always use the same provider you signed up with. Third, out of credits. Free credits refresh daily, and paid credits refresh monthly. They never roll over.
That is the whole loop. 1. Open Suno.com. 2. Sign up with Google or any provider. 3. Create your first song. It is free, it runs in your browser, and you get 50 free credits every day. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy creating!